So either we've been lamenting why my vehicle is going to a shorter distance over much amount of fuel. So also you can Google on the internet and see how many kilometers per liter does your vehicle consume. And also for the newer technology or the newer versions of your vehicle, maybe it has an indicator on the instrument cluster or in the clock showing you the mileage per liter. So also there are some factors that we should consider when looking when wondering of the consumption of our vehicle. One of the factor that we need to think about is the age of the vehicle. We've also the longer the age gap, I can say the more fuel the vehicle tends to consume. And also we can call it the lifespan because the engine deteriorates with time. Also serviceability. When I hear people complaining about the fuel, I usually ask them, when did you service your vehicle? From even in a petrol engine, we need to change the air filter, the spark plug, the engine oil, and anything that you feel like needs to be changed. So today I want to discuss of one important aspect, this one, the air filter. What is the function of the air filter? We know the atmosphere that we walk in, for example here where we are, it is too dusty. So that air needs to be cleaned. So the air needs to pass through this air filter, and most of the dust will remain on this side, and on the other side we need clean air. So a lifespan, depending on the location, on the region where you usually drive your vehicle, I usually recommend routine change of the air filter. So because when much of the dust is trapped in this area, the engine tends to strain. Because for combustion to occur, we need two elements, air and fuel. So also, when this component has a lot of dust, it shows that the engine there is a demand of air. Hence, the engine tends to strain. Hence, you use more fuel. So periodically, make sure you change your air filter. So many of us we always wait till it's that period of changing the air filter or doing the service. It depends also with the quality of the air filter, and also if your car is in city driving, and also the condition of the vehicle or the routine maintenance. So kindly always ensure you check your air filters. I usually recommend to my customers, you can do either 3,000 kilometers depending on the serviceability or the region where you work in. Also always ensure you get a genuine, and also ensure that you get the exact size. I've always had a problem, there are some air filters which tend to be same, but they are either small or even larger. Always ensure when buying the spare part you get the exact part number. Go to the shop and do what. And this one you can easily do it to your for your vehicle. Even there at home, it doesn't require much of the expertise. But disclaimer: when you feel that you cannot change the air filter, just walk into a spare shop or even walk into a petrol station and have your air filter checked, the condition, and most of us tend to do what? That one is okay. So I don't recommend that because it has certain construction here inside. So when you knock it, you disintegrate the pollen aspect of it, which you degrade the air filter. So thank you for that. So kindly ensure routine service maintenance. Always ensure your oil is checked, your air filter, and also later we shall discuss about the cabin filter. Thank you so much. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.